Hi, I'm Justin Hill and welcome to my YouTube channel. I talk about videos where you can earn some little extra income. You're not going to get rich. Let's get that out there straight away. Full disclaimer, you're not going to get rich. I'm not one of those sites where we promise that you can make $600 in a day and you've got to do this. That's not what I'm about. But what I will talk about today is an app that I've done a video on before, but it's been a while since I've had it, used it myself. So I'm just gonna go over it again and see if it's changed. The app is called Streetbees. The good thing about this app is that it is global. So I think pretty much everyone will be able to use it. If I can find a list of countries, I'll put that down in the description of the video, just so you know. But this isn't one of those ones where you watch the video and then you find out that it doesn't apply to you and you can't use it. Right, let's get into the app. So basically Streetbees. Streetbees is like a survey site. But whereas if you've been on a survey site before, you traditionally have lots of questions going down the page and there'll be multiple choice and you'll have to tick this, tell them about your career, your age, and lots of other stuff. This isn't what this site does, or this app. It basically, when you do it, it's like you're having a conversation. So a little message will pop up with a question like it would on Messenger, and then you do your response and it would appear as a little message, and that's how it works. So it's more like having a chat rather than doing a traditional survey type site. You've got your amounts on the side that you'll get for doing it. There's one here. If you ordered takeaway to have in the next 2 hours, we want to hear from you. So obviously I can't, this is one thing, don't lie, because if I clicked on that, what it will do at some point is it will ask me to take a picture of it to prove that I've got it. So yeah, just be honest. Order takeaway ice cream, then take a picture. Social media, your pet. Now, some of these stories you don't get paid for, but what you do when you do them is it then opens up other stories where you will get paid. And there's all the different topics. There's a nice, that's new, that never used to have that on there. There's a nice hello and welcome to Streetbees, and this will go through the steps of what you got to do. That's quite good. And there's running habits. Same with your cat. Tell us about your cat when you're at home. Now, if I did that one, it would ask me to take a picture of it, which I obviously can't because I haven't got a cat. So what we'll do, there's none here that I can really do that I get. I mean, that one there, you get £2. If you ordered takeaway ice cream to have in the next 2 hours, I want to hear from you, you get £2 for that, just for taking a picture and answering a few questions. I mean, it really isn't, it's not difficult and it's not time consuming either. So there's none here that really applies to me at the moment. You've got this, you're out of home life, complete the story to unlock exclusive paid stories. So I'm going to do that one. It takes about 5 minutes. We want to know a little about your out of home eating and drinking experiences. Tell us about them, even if you haven't been out eating or drinking much lately. Shall we get started? So then click let's do it. Move me out of the way. Hi, welcome back. In this story, you want to know a little about your out-of-home eating and drinking experiences. Okay, got it. And there you go, it's like a message. Before we get started, which country do you live in? And United Kingdom, done. Have you purchased food and or drink to eat away from your home from any of the following places in the past week? Vending machine, workplace, coffee shop, fast food restaurant. You order yes, unfortunately, I hate to admit it, we went to McDonald's. Which following fast food? And there we go, McDonald's. So it's basically saying, oh, move that way. Prior to COVID, when it came to ordering food, drink away from the home, what were the top 3 factors that influenced your choice of venue? Offers outdoor seating, quality taste food, and has drive-through. There you go. That's done. And as a result of COVID-19, have your top 3 factors changed? No. Which, if any of the following, would make you more comfortable eating, drinking out away from home? Oh, that'd be good. Go on. Do you try to eat or drink in any of the following ways? Low sugar, if I can. But you see how it's like you're having a chat. There's a question, you reply. There's a question, you reply. It's like a messenger. It's like you're having a chat. I like the style. Are you taking any of the following steps to eat, drink more healthy? From home per week. 1 or 2 times a week. What's your annual household income before tax? Well, that's a bit cheeky, isn't it? Don't know. Maybe that. What age are the children living in your home? Under 2, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12. Thank you for sharing. Look out for upcoming stories and share with us when you're next out having food or drinks. Got it. All done. Submit. And then that's been uploading your story. What it does, that information gets uploaded, and then they check it, and as long as they're happy with it, then you'll end up getting the paid ones. There you go. So there's that one there I did the other day, and it's completed okay. That's fine. So that'll open up some other stories. And then that one I've just done is there, and that's submitted for review. And then I'll have some paid ones. Like I say again, you're not going to get rich because there's not going to be 50 stories all paying out £2 each for you to earn off. This is, like when you're sat down waiting for your TV program to start or whatever, just come on air, do one of those, and you might get £2, £3 or something. And over the course of a month, it could end up being maybe 15, 20 quid, something like that. And it's just in your spare time, you're just filling out bits. It's not bad. It's not bad. Just refresh it, see if there's anything else. No, that's it. So there you go, it's still working. Live stories, you've got live stories there, which is this. It appears in a vertical way. You got down here, you got your activity that shows what you've done in the past. Like I say, it's been a while since I used it, but I was using it all the time. £3 then, £2 this month, July, that was £11, and then the June was £7. So, and then obviously this period I haven't used it. Profile is your profile. And then more. Not a great deal on there really. Just terms and conditions, privacy policy, things like that. And then deactivate account if you want to deactivate the account. That's it. There's not a lot to it really. It's a really good app, really well laid out, really simple. Like I say, if you're ordering something that's relevant, then you get the option to get £2 just for answering a few questions on your ice cream. And there's £1.50 there on a takeaway one. If you've ordered takeaway, you're having the next hour, 2 hours. Want to hear from you? It's £1.50. Boom, just like that. And your cat. If you've got a cat sat there, get 50p just for answering a few questions. And the one last thing, there's these spots. So some of them have a high number of spots, but once they're gone, then that's no longer available. So if 69 people do that, then that's no longer available. But yeah, it doesn't look like it's changed much over the past, sort of 4 or 5 months when I last used it. It's pretty much the same style, the way it works. It is a good app. Like I say, you can get money off it if the questions apply to you, but you have to spend the time completing some of these stories, these ones that they call stories, where you fill out a little bit about yourself and the topic, and then it'll give you lots of the paying ones that give you some money. But from past experience, if you're saying you've bought a takeaway, they'll probably want a copy of the takeaway, a picture of the takeaway, or maybe a picture of the receipt. If you get food ones where it's asking what you're eating at the moment, it will ask you to take a picture. I did one the other day on my freezer, and I had to take a picture of the goods in the freezer. So they do try to get evidence of what it is you're saying you're having. So you can't, like I say, I can't do the cat one and go, yeah, I've got a cat, because one of the questions will be, send us a picture of your cat. So just let that be a little warning. Fill it out honestly, because you will get caught out, because you're going to need to take some pictures. Anyway, I hope you found the video useful. Like I say, I may do another follow-up one when I've earned some more money on it. But I know it does pay because I've used it before and had no issues whatsoever. So, yeah, stay safe and take care, and keep looking for those apps that pay a little bit of money, and try and stay away from the people that are promising ridiculous amounts of money, because you're probably not going to get it. Anyway, take care. Laters.